Hi, I am Shakib Sami and welcome to Kotlin programming tutorial. In this tutorial series, the very first step is to setting up the development environment. Here mostly we are going to use IntelliJ IDEA as our ID for Kotlin. If you already have IntelliJ IDEA installed, that's great. But if you don't worry. We are going to download it from their official website. Just open your browser and navigate to website of JetBrains. This is JetBrains website. From here navigate to IDs and IntelliJ IDEA. Now click on download. Here is few options depending on your operating system. Windows, macOS and Linux. And there is two versions of IntelliJ IDEA. One is Ultimate and another is Community Edition. Ultimate is paid and Community Edition is free. As we will use only IntelliJ IDEA for Java AC development, Community Edition is enough for that. So download Community Edition from here depending on your operating system, or if you prefer you can download Ultimate. As I have already installed IntelliJ IDEA, so I am not going to download it again. After successful installation of IntelliJ IDEA, there will be a screen like this. Latest versions of IntelliJ IDEA already have support for Kotlin development. But if you have a older version, just navigate to plugins and type here Kotlin. This is Kotlin plugin for IntelliJ IDEA. If you do not have installed it, just install it. That's all. Now let's create a new project. For that, click on create new project and a big dashboard will appear. From here you can choose Kotlin, Gradle, Maven or Java. But in this tutorial we will use Gradle based project. So I am choosing Gradle. From right side, untick Java and tick on Kotlin. Now click on next. Here you have to specify group ID, artist ID and version for your Gradle project. For group ID I am putting here ninja.shakib, which is my domain name, and project name, which is let's learn Kotlin. And in the place of artist ID I am putting let's learn Kotlin. And for version keep it just simple, just 1.0, or you can use anything else. Now click on next. From here tick on two options. One is use auto import and another is create directories for empty content routes automatically, which will create all the required directories for your Kotlin project. Now click on next. This screen, here is your project name and this is your project location. Now click on finish. Okay, now it will take some time to make your Gradle project ready. Wait till then. Now we got our project ready. Now if I expand, let's learn Kotlin. Here is few directories. But now from here expand source and there is two other folders. One is main and one is test. Expand main. Here is three directories. One is Java, Kotlin and resources. As we are using this project as Kotlin, we will do our coding steps in Kotlin directory. So create a package under Kotlin directory. Just right click on Kotlin. From there choose new and package. Okay, now enter your package name. I am putting it here as our group ID. which was ninja.shakib.let's learn Kotlin. Click on OK. Now to start coding, we have to create a Kotlin file. For that, click on package, choose new, and from here Kotlin file/class. The interesting thing here, unlike Java, we do not have to create a class to start our coding. Just create a Kotlin file. Give your Kotlin file name here. We are giving it hello, but you can give anything you prefer, like main or start or run, anything else you prefer. I am giving it here hello. Now click on OK, and it will create a Kotlin file for you, which is hello.kt. Now, like our Java project, write main function like main. Here is suggestion for main function and click on it. Here is your main function, but unlike Java, you do not have to write public static void whatever you used to write. Just write fun and main takes one argument, which is array of string, which is the arguments of the program. Here fun mean function. Now I want to show you how to print something in Kotlin. For that, just write println and write whatever you want to print, just like hello world. Now right click and choose run, and here we got output of our very first Kotlin project. In Kotlin, we do not need system.out.println. Rather, println just to do what you want to print. Pretty easy. Or if you want to put everything in a single line, just write in print. Print hi. Now run it again. And here is our output. Here how on the same line. Besides this, you can install compiler to use from command line. For that, you have to install Kotlin compiler. That's also easier. Open terminal and execute car-s quotation https get.sdkman.io pipe bash. This command will install SDKman in your system, and using SDKman we will install Kotlin. As I have already installed SDKman, this is not going to be installed again, but in your case it may take some time to be installed. Just wait till then. After installation, to install Kotlin, just execute SDK space install program name, which is Kotlin, and program version. We are going to install 1.1.2 and hit enter. Okay, I have already installed Kotlin 1.1.2, so it's not going to be installed again, but in your case it will take some time to be installed. After successful installation of Kotlin, to open Kotlin's interactive shell, just execute Kotlin C. This is Kotlin's interactive shell with Kotlin's default version 1.1.1 and backed by JRE 1.8.0. Now type something to get some output. Println hello world. Here is our output. You can do some calculation also, like 10 plus 30 Here is 14, our output as expected. Also you can do some inline coding like val name equal Shakib Sami, val age equal 24. Now print these things. Print len my name is name and I am age years old. That's it. And here is our output. My name is Shakib Sami and I am 24 years old. And congratulations, you just set up your development environment successfully. In the next video, I will show you the basics of Kotlin. Thanks for watching.